Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all a really simple green seasoning chicken recipe. This is going to be so basic, but yet it's going to be full of flavor. You all are going to love it, just how simple it is. We're going to start with our regular green seasoning blend. We have some cilantro called shadowbenny, scallions, you want fine thyme, pimento peppers, chili peppers, which is optional, a Scotch bonnet pepper or a habanero pepper, flat leaf parsley, some pudina or Cuban oregano, and garlic. We're going to go ahead and pulse this until it's nice and fine, or you can blend it with some water if you prefer it to that consistency. I actually prefer it to be like this, slightly chunky. And what we're going to do now is just set this aside, and to the prepared and washed chicken, I'm sprinkling on some Angostura bitters. And we're going to go on with salt. Now you're going to be seasoning both sides with the same ingredients. I'm going to show you this one side first. Black pepper goes on next. Then goes smoked paprika or regular paprika. And some cayenne powder. I like it a little bit on the spicy side. Now goes on your green seasoning. And you're going to take your hand and massage that into the chicken. Now when you're finished massaging this first side, you're going to flip that bird over and put the same ingredients and massage again. You want to take some of that green seasoning with that seasoning mixture and put it all under the skin, and then place it into a container and cover, and this has to marinate overnight, which is best. That green seasoning mixture is going to add so much flavor to this chicken. Such a simple seasoning for the chicken, and yet it's going to be full of flavor. Now I'm using my Traeger to help me smoke this or cook it or bake it. You can do this also in your oven. You'd want to place yours on a tray, while mine is going directly onto that grill, and it's going to go skin side up. Now this is going to stay in here. I'll put in my thermometer in a little bit. You want to put that thermometer into the thickest part of the breast, and we're going to cover it and allow it to cook. But before I do that, I'm spritzing some avocado oil here on the skin just to help give it a really beautiful brown color. It's totally optional. And then you're going to cover and allow it to bake for about going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which should take anywhere between 45 minutes to 1 hour. And it looks so beautiful. That avocado oil gave the skin a really beautiful color on the outside, and it smells heavenly. So I'm going to remove it from the grill, and I'm going to allow it to cool down. And once it cools down, we'll cut into it. You don't want to cut it when it's hot because all of the juices will run off. I'm serving this with garlic bread, a really simple, easy recipe. And it's actually, I think I did this last year and I never got to post it, so I'm posting it today for you all. The chicken is fully cooked. It's really juicy and moist on the inside. And this was one of the best chicken recipes I've ever made. So simple yet so delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Just look at the seasoning under the skin. Absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.